My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. These are informational videos that I make. Of course, I do IRS representation on larger cases, but I try to give you like what you need to know. I was the IRS, so one of the reasons you listen to me is I was the IRS, coupled with 42 years of IRS tax defense. On the outside, that's like prison with IRS. Anyway, one of the things that you need to know if you owe a very large IRS tax debt, and a lot of people have lost money. They've been in crypto, they've been in the stock market, they cashed in their pension plans, and they're stuck with this large IRS debt because they've had another catastrophic loss somewhere else. You now have to suffer that loss, and now you owe the Internal Revenue Service. I represent a lot of those clients, and this could be you listening to this video. So you have to know that you got to know how IRS is going to work your case. IRS doesn't want the history of your case. They could care less. When you pick up the phone, IRS doesn't want a song and a dance. They hear 8 million stories. The stories are academic. Everyone wants to tell me how they got here. It doesn't make a difference. IRS wants to close their case with the reality and the numbers that you have right now. So your backstory makes no difference. No difference at all. Everyone thinks it does, but the reality is IRS is going to look 6 months back and they're going to close your IRS case based on the financial statement, in fact, that you give them. So if you've had large losses and now you owe a large IRS tax debt, no matter what, no matter how you got here, IRS says, give me the financial statement and let's go ahead and close your case. What does that look like to you? So as an agent, I've worked thousands of these cases. This isn't new to me. I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to explain to you what IRS wants. They want a financial statement. They want it documented, and then they want to close your case. That's it. Move to the next case. So don't call me and tell me your story. I'm going to say, what's your financial statement? I want to help you close your case. IRS has about this much room for history and this much room for their financial information they need. So you're going to give IRS a financial statement. Depending on where your case is, it's an A up at the service center, an F at the service center, A with the local revenue officer, and then boom, you give them the documentation and it spits in and then it spits out. This is what we're going to do with you. Your financial statement determines the outcome of your case. Hear that again. Your current financial statement determines the outcome of your case. It is just that simple. So if you gave me your financial statement and I send it to you and you give it back, I'm going to say this is exactly what IRS is going to do with you. But you got to leave some room because there's ways we can polish it and make it better. And those are things that I know. I will show you what I know after I'm retained. I don't tell you that beforehand, but there's ways that you can make your statement look better by putting some facts and figures on there that you're not easily going to know. But anyway, at the end of the day, your case is going to be closed by payment agreement, by offer and compromise, or by putting it in currently non-collectible. And so what we do is we explain the process to you, and then once you understand the process, you'll say, I get it now. Maybe I can help myself by doing this. So if you owe large IRS tax debt and you really don't know what to do, you don't even know what to do because IRS is pretty much going to say, here's the plan we're going to offer you. That's it. So for me, I can't get your financial statement quick enough because your financial statement holds the key to how IRS is going to deal with you in the future. So anyway, call me if you need me. I've worked thousands of IRS. I've been doing this since 73. So you can imagine what's in this head of mine. My wife says nobody wants to know, but anyway, I'm letting you know. Thank you very much. Give me a subscription. At least now you know the truth. Thank you for listening.